All right, so I want to add to this guy. So I'm going to add a little bit so that I can get some legs and things put on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to Shift A, and I'm going to add a mesh, and I'm going to go with a cube. I'm going to grab that cube on Z and move it down. And then I'm going to add a modifier. I'm going to go to Subdivision Surface and do that again. And I'm going to add a number of cuts to this. I might scale it up a bit. And then I'm going to tab into Edit Mode. And let's just make some changes. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grab this face, look at it from a front view, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to rotate it a little bit. I'll do the same thing here, rotate it a bit. I think from the side view, I'm going to look at it and I'm going to just grab it and move it back a little bit. I think I'm going to scale it a bit on Y. Back into edit mode. I think on the front, I'm going to make a change to kind of flatten the front out. And then again, if I grab this on Y, slide it back a little bit, and just manipulate things a little bit more. And we might just leave it something like this. Shade that smooth. Maybe I will tab into edit mode, and I will give him some butt cheeks. I held down Control to get that line. I'm going to go ahead and turn my proportional editing on. I'm going to grab on Y and just move that in a bit. Okay, so let's go ahead and try adding a modifier to this. As I've done in the past, I'm going to do a Boolean. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select cube 001, and I seem to have a problem. So let's see what we can do with this. First of all, making sure it's a union. It's on exact. Let's just change it to fast, and oh, well, that seems like that might do it. So for the moment, I'm going to go ahead and I will apply it that way using the fast solver. And maybe later on down the line, we'll explore different reasons why we get that Swiss cheese effect in certain circumstances. But for now, I'm going to push apply. I will get rid of the original groin area, and we'll move on.